In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MIDI to Soundtrap. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left here in your project, click on Settings, and then you want to go to MIDI Settings. Now, from here, it's going to say you need to give it access. So to do this, you simply want to click up here. Oops, there we go, top left. So click on this button, and then here it's going to say MIDI device control and something. So you want to enable this like that. And then whenever you basically do that, you'll have to reload your website, okay? Now, this is going to take a few seconds to actually load in, depending on how big, how huge your project is. And whenever that's done, you'll be able to see, we'll be able to connect our MIDI device via the same button we used earlier, okay? So let the project load. There we go. You want to go to the top here, settings, MIDI settings. There we go. It's going to say no MIDI device. And at this point, you should actually connect this to your computer or whatever you're using. And then whenever you do that, you'll be able to select it here from the list. And as you can see, it says check your keyboard connection and try pressing a key. So if, of course, you've connected it, try pressing some keys on your keyboard, for example, and then you should be able to see your device here. You can just basically click on it and connect it that way, press OK, and you've successfully connected your MIDI to Soundtrap. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.